Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I hit another pan and this is Sunny's, which is nice. Woohoo! Little pan there, and then I made this one a little bit bigger, this one bigger, and this one bigger. I think this one. I'm not sure, but I'm excited to get this one to pan, and I made this one bigger, and of course I've been using this one, so yeah, I'm excited. I'm working on this yellow and this brownish shade. They have pretty good dips, and then I want to work in with this coral shade right there. So that is my plan. I haven't decided what I want to pan in this one, but I've been using this shade and a little bit of orange. But that's about it. There's like no dips yet. And then I'm gonna put this on off camera and work with my crease real quick. So I just done the shade right here. Getting a little bit bigger pan in that one. And then of course I'm gonna go dig into this one and this one. I like the shades all together. So that's why this pan is getting a little bit bigger. And yes, these are very powdery. So they're kind of easy to pan out. So they are super powdery. And then the shade right here. Just going in, try to go inside the crease. It's kind of hard. Kind of want to do a colorful eye shade. So I'm going to go into this blue. And I'm slowly working on this palette. This is when I want like a colorful color story on my eyes. I dig into this because I'm trying to work on 4 palettes at a time. So I got one colorful one, you know, a couple neutrals with colors. Wow, I just messed up. It's all good. But yeah, just going in the outer portion with the blue. Okay, now I'm going in with the pink right next to the blue. Oh my gosh. The same brush, I just wiped it. Okay. Going in next to the blue, into the blue, whatever. Oh, that's pretty. It made like a purpley shade. That's so pretty. Even though it does have purple in it. Oh well. And then like a little pink will show. That is pretty though. Pretty. Now I'm gonna go into this purple shade right here. In the inner portion of the eye. And then I'm gonna go with this shimmery purple right here on top of the purple I just put on. I'm gonna go in with this blue right here. Just going underneath. I'm gonna put this green on underneath. It's more like a galaxy look, I feel. I'm adding this lime green. It's more like a topper. So hopefully it works. I'm gonna add this yellow right here. It's a little messy. Trying to deepen that up. Now going in with the shimmery yellow. And this is the completed look. I really do enjoy this look. I love colorful looks, so I really like this. Very nice. I like the combination of the colors, and the palettes are just so powdery, so I had to fix it up a little bit. But this is really good. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. Bye for now.